Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Students, in this video we are going to see how to draw an incircle in an obtuse angle triangle. Means first we have to draw one obtuse angle triangle. Second, we have to draw all its angle bisectors. Drawing angle bisector is very easier task. Third, their angle bisector will meet at one point. From that point we have to draw one perpendicular on any one side, and finally from that in center we have to draw a circle. So only 4 steps. Let's continue. Let me first draw one obtuse angle triangle. Suppose X, Y, Z is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, then we have to bisect this angle Y. Consider only angle Y. Can you bisect it? Yes. So take a random distance in compass. Taken. Draw 2 arcs on 2 arms. Drawn. Locate the point of intersection of arm and arc, and increase the distance little bit so that projected arc will go out of the triangle, and draw 2 arcs. Okay, so from this point I have drawn 1 arc. I will draw 1 arc from this point also. Okay, see, this is the intersection point of these 2 arcs. From that intersection point, let's draw a ray passing through that intersection point and point Y. So this ray is angle bisector of angle Y. For your convenient, for my convenient, for convenient of the checker, paper setter, give name to this point. Suppose this is point A, point B, point C. It will be okay if you will not give names in my case, but consider that I am not going to check it. Okay, now we have to bisect this angle Z. So how? Consider only one angle is there, angle this. Can you bisect it? Definitely yes, you are expert in it now. So take any random distance in compass, put the tip of the compass on Z, draw 2 arcs or 1 arc which will intersect these 2 arms. Okay, that we have done. Now increase this distance such that the projected arc will go out of the triangle. So I will increase it. Okay guys, now from this point where that arm and arc is intersecting, I will draw 1 arc. Same procedure I will follow from another arm where that arc is intersecting. Now this point of intersection of arc and this point Z, let's connect them. Point Z, point of intersection of arc. Connectivity issue is not, our network is too strong. Now we have to bisect this angle X. Give name A, B, C, D, E. Okay. F. Now we have to bisect this angle X. Same procedure. Take any random distance in the compass. From point X, draw 2 arms, 2 arcs on 2 arms, drawn. Give name to those points E, F, G, H, right? Increase the distance such that, suppose I'll put the tip of the compass on H and then increase such that projected arc is going out of the triangle. So drawn. Now same procedure without changing the distance from point G, drawn. Okay students, so locate the point of intersection, connect this point with X, So they are intersecting each other at same point. This point, name it as point I for in center. Now from this I we have to draw a circle. For that, what we have to do? We have to draw a perpendicular from I on this side. So use set square, align the base of the set square on the side. Base is aligned such that its height will touch to this point I, touching. Okay, join or draw this perpendicular. Okay guys, suppose G H I J. Wow, what a sequence. Ij is the radius. Now I have to take distance equals to Ij, which is little bit trickier in this case because so small distance is there. Put the tip of the compass on I and tip of the pencil on J. I have done it, and draw a circle. So let's draw it. Done. Finish. Can you see this circle is touching to the all sides, three sides from the interior? If you can see, you are too good. Now you have to see. I have drawn it with sketch pens. It's visible. Okay. So this is enough for this video. I hope now you have understood how to draw in circle of acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle triangle. Best of luck, students.